Biological Classification, Session 13. This module we are going to learn about the last two kingdoms, Kingdom Plantae and Kingdom Animalia. Dear children, now let us learn about Kingdom Plantae. All eukaryotic chlorophyll containing organisms, that is plants, fall under Kingdom Plantae. The plant cells are characterized by the presence of a cell wall, and the cell wall is made up of cellulose. When most of the plants are autotrophs, some plants like the bladderworts and Venus flytrap are insectivorous. Some of the plants like Scutum are parasites. The kingdom Plantae includes algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and lastly the angiosperms. Most plants have two alternate phases in their life cycles: the diploid sporophytic phase and haploid gametophytic phase. The length of these haploid and diploid phases and whether the gametophyte or the sporophyte are free living or dependent helps us to understand which is the dominant phase, whether it is the sporophytic or the gametophytic. The phenomenon of sexual and asexual form in the life cycle is referred to as alternation of generations. Unlike Kingdom Plantae, Kingdom Animalia comprises of heterotrophic multicellular eukaryotic organisms. And members of Kingdom Animalia, they lack a cell wall in their cells. And most of the animals depend on plants for the food, either directly or indirectly. Animals digest their food in their internal cavities, meaning that they have extracellular digestion, and they store food reserves in the form of glycogen or fat. Animals have holozoic mode of nutrition, that is, they ingest their food. In animals, ingestion generally means food is taken through the mouth and it passes through the gastrointestinal tract. The animal, they reproduce sexually through male and female copulation or mating, which is followed by embryological development. They have a fixed growth pattern and develop into a definite shape and size. The higher forms of animals, like monkeys and humans, they have sensory and neuromotor mechanisms, and most animals are motile. That means they can move independently and have the capacity of locomotion. Dear children, in this module we learned about the general features of Kingdom Plantae and Kingdom Animalia. Thank you.